friends, I am Rohan. Do you copy and paste lot of text? Then you can use Clipboard History in Windows 11. To use it, go to Start menu, then open System Settings. Now scroll down and click on Clipboard and turn on Clipboard History. You can sync your clipboard across different devices by turning it on. You can sync text automatically as well as manually. Now copy multiple text by pressing Ctrl+C and paste them in one go by pressing Window+V on your keyboard. Like this video and subscribe to our channel Code Pointer for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.